Hey guys, come on into my kitchen. I'm going to be making some blackened honey fried chicken. Oh yeah. Drumsticks, you guys. All right, so I've cleaned and washed the chicken. All right, so we're going to be adding the seasonings in this bag with our chicken drumsticks. We have Worcestershire sauce that we'll be adding. We have soy sauce that we'll be adding. And we will be marinating with all the seasonings overnight. Some cayenne pepper. Some lemon pepper. Garlic powder. Paprika for color. And some chopped chives. Black pepper. And raw honey. And now we're going to partially close the bag so that we have enough room to just take all that good old seasoning and honey mix and just make sure you get it all over that chicken. You want to make sure you rub that mixture all in that meat. And once you rubbed it all in the meat, then you can seal the bag shut, get all the air out, and we're going to lay it flat. Again, we're going to let this marinate overnight. So during the course of it marinating, we'll flip it over. All right, so now we're back at the table. We have our corn flour and all-purpose mix there. And we have our drumsticks that's been marinating overnight. And look at that meat. You see the color of that meat? That dark, rich color from all those seasonings. Oh, yeah. We're going to have us some blackened honey fried chicken. So we're going to get these floured up and then shake off the excess. And once we get these all floured up, we're going to take them over to the fryer and fry them. And you'll see us back at the counter with them all fried up in vegetable oil grease.